Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying essentials: Windows version, admin rights, and the Fingerprint hardware. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign-in Options. This is where Windows Hello lives. If the Fingerprint option is missing, make sure the Dell biometric driver is installed. Device Manager will show the reader. Once done, choose Setup under Fingerprint and click Get Started. This first step establishes secure authentication, so take a moment to confirm drivers and account permissions before you proceed to enrollment. You'll now walk through enrollment. Windows prompts you to lift and rest your finger repeatedly so it maps multiple contact points. Move the finger slightly each scan to capture edges and center. This improves recognition speed and accuracy. Make sure to enroll at least one alternate finger. If Windows asks for a PIN, set or confirm it. Windows requires a PIN fallback for secure recovery. Once the system captures enough data, you'll see a completion message. This ensures reliable daily logins and fewer false rejects. Finish by locking the laptop and testing Fingerprint sign-in several times. You want consistent success. If the sensor fails, reopen Device Manager, uninstall or update the Dell biometric driver, then reboot and retry enrollment. Drivers often fix detection issues. Make sure the sensor is clean and dry, and re-enroll fingerprints if recognition is inconsistent. If problems persist, check Windows Hello privacy settings and run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. This resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.